What's going on, everyone? Danny here, back with another update. Bitcoin has just hit 98K as anticipated. We held our shorts from previous week with conviction. It was a hard trade to hold, but we're confident. I was confident that it would hit this 98K level and potentially lower targets. So let's get into a trade recap. I do want to say that if you have watched my videos in the past, I'm not spamming. I've told you what I was looking out for, and I told you the logic that I was trading off of, which is T-Trade's fractal model has been working really well lately for the past 4 to 5 weeks. There have been multiple short opportunities using the fractal model, and yeah, so I want to get into it. I want to do another trade recap since we have hit our key level of 98K. I've done a trade recap already in my YouTube channel, so if you haven't checked that out, go watch that. I've recapped the last 4 Bitcoin shorts that I've taken, including this one. And now that 98K has been hit, let's see what we're anticipating next. So let's hide that. And again, if you want to join my free Discord, it's not very active right now, but hopefully we'll get active for more users. But if you want to join, here is the link. I'm going to anchor that next to my face so you can see that. And then I post no hindsight updates and recaps and analysis on there. So if you want to check it out, go there and check it out. So let's dive into the recap, and let's start from October 27th, right? Bitcoin was ranging, as you can see here. Took this high on the left, the range high, and had a change in state of delivery, and it wanted to go lower, right? So there was a short opportunity in here. You could have taken it, closed the trade. I like trading candle 3. So I trade the 4-hour and the weekly. I like to trade the candle 3 weekly continuation. It was also a new monthly candle 3. So there was 2 confluences using the fractal model, right? As you can see, the month opened, traded lower, and the new week opened as well, traded lower. On Tuesday, almost hit that 98K level that I was anticipating. Probably too early in the week. So price retraced, and I will go to the daily. As you can see, it hit this order block to the tick, right? And had a displacement lower again. Have another change in state of delivery on both the 4-hour as well as the daily time frame. And as you can see here, price has hit the level and now retracing. Now, it did get a shallow sweep of 98K. So I am still led to believe that we might be heading lower. I took a lot of my position off here. I'm still holding some of my position. But, this is a super shallow sweep. Sometimes you want to see something like this, like a heavy, something like that maybe, right? Or at least give us a stronger reaction from this level, V-shaped reversal to the upside. Now, it's still early in the day, so I'm going to still kind of hold on to this and see what happens throughout today. Now, if it does reclaim some of these levels, then I will look to close out my position fully. But right now, this is a super shallow sweep, and price has likely to kind of chop around. So I will kind of hold this. And as you look at other crypto assets, it might be a little bearish as well. So Ethereum, same story. Went all the way down, took this low here, which is quite nice, right? If you traded previous week, C2 sweep, continue three continuation, you would have had this nice trade to this level here. TP there, and now price is still bearish, right? Retraced into it, had this huge displacement lower yesterday. Same with Sol. Sol hit that 145 level, probably a good place to buy. The next point of liquidity is at 125. So we did close below this 145 level. Perhaps we come back up into this fair value gap for lower. Unsure. I'm not trading it, but I'm just telling you what I see in the market right now. Hype, again, super choppy. Not really any fair value gaps to trade off from or to build ideas from. But we do have these kind of equal lows, these failure swings below. So perhaps price can get lower. Tau, I am in a short position in Tau, and I do like to see lower prices. And this one was kind of sweet. So let's go into the daily. Let's hide that for now. The dog just came into the room. Footsteps if you hear it. Hey, buddy. All right, so let's get back into it. So Tau had this. Oops, what's going on, buddy? Hey. Oh man, what's going on? You see my dog? Hey, buddy. Good boy. Okay, you gotta sit. All right. So, sorry about that. So, price had a huge run up, took out all of these failure swings here, and had a V-shaped reversal, created this fair value gap, had a potential change in state of delivery here, not confirmed because this is on the daily chart, and when the daily we're framing the monthly candle too, right? So looking how this monthly candle is playing out, it's most likely that potentially next month we might see lower pricing as well. So I might continue to hold this for the duration of this month and hold it until next month. We'll see. We shall see. So super clean. We had a change in state of delivery here off of this fair value gap, confirming that this is fair value gap is holding. Another one here. I entered pretty early. I entered on Sunday, right? I saw that we displaced lower, had that CISD from the daily fair value gap, and I entered on Sunday. So it was kind of a shitty entry, but still valid. So I had to hold throughout this chop, and now it's finally displacing lower, which is giving me confidence that price will head lower as well. So I am in shorts on Tau, and I'm holding Bitcoin shorts as well. So yeah, I mean, a lot of opportunities. Bitcoin has hit its draw. So we have to see what kind of reaction we get from this level. Can it go lower from here? It definitely can. Can it go higher from here? It definitely can as well. But I'm demanding that we have a V-shaped reversal, perhaps CASD on the 4-hour and the daily. But, to get a CISD on the daily, we have to get this confirmation here, which is 103 level to the upside. So monitoring it. Again, we had a shallow sweep, so I'm not super confident that this will go higher from here. I think we might go lower, maybe to this area here. But again, anything after here is a bit in unknown territory, right? So we just have to see. We have to just wait and see. This monthly candle is still kind of expanding, right? We're November 14th. We had a small wick, hit this monthly fair value gap here. So we have to see what price demands, right? If it hits the monthly fair value gap, if it hits the monthly fair value gap, we have to see a daily change in standard delivery in order to see more upside. That's a long way to go. So let's keep monitoring it, and I will catch you on the next one. Right now, there's nothing to do. I'm not longing this, and I'm not continuing to short this because I'm already in shorts. So there is nothing for you to do. There's nothing for me to do unless you want to gamble and take long trades. But right now, it is pretty uncertain to me. And looking at NASDAQ too, it has been pretty bearish as well. Let me go to NASDAQ real quick. SMT at the highs, yeah. Came all the way down. Probably lower on NASDAQ as well. So I will continue to be patient, and I hope you do the same. Take care, guys. See you on the next one.